the sink mat, the extra large sink mat that I did a review on, and you only need some soap. I have Dr. Bronner's organic peppermint soap. You can use baby shampoo, you can use baby body wash, or anything that's gentle to your brushes, but this is what I'm using, and this is the bottle that it comes in, and I use this for my body, my face, my hair, and everything. If you don't know about this soap, you need to check it out. This right here is just a bottle of it that I keep in my shower, so that way I'm not tugging that huge container back and forth to the shower, because this stuff soaks up really well. So what you want to do is you want to just wet your mat like I'm doing here. I'm going to just wet my mat. Then I'm going to take and put a little bit of soap, it's moving on me, inside there like that. Okay, I'm going to take the first brush and I'm going to just go inside of these grooves like so. And I'm going to keep doing this until I don't see any more brown. Okay? And it will definitely go away. So you just rinse that out. Ooh, making a mess. You rinse that out. And you do it again. A little bit of soap. Let that water go down. A little bit of soap there, and you take the brush and you just go in and you're trying to rub it gently. It looks like I'm very harsh on the brush, but I'm really not. I'm really just rubbing right over the top of the brush, trying to get all of the makeup out of it. And most of the makeup sits on top of the brush, so you definitely don't have to go deep into the brush, because it's kind of surface, because how dense the brush is really surface. Did y'all see that? Yeah, this brush is already clean. Y'all see that? So we're gonna do it once more, so that way you guys can see that this brush is actually already clean. I want to get all this makeup up, that way I can show you that this brush probably has little to nothing in it from just 2 swipes. Y'all see that? Going over it. Not one drop of makeup is coming out of that, okay? And there you have it. I just cleaned my brush using my sink mat. Now, I did clean out my sink really good with a little bit of bleach and Dawn dish detergent, and then I rinsed it out really well in order to prepare this area for my brushes. But that is another brush cleaned. And look, you can see the difference. Y'all see the difference in this dirty brush and this clean brush? Yeah, you could definitely see the difference. Okay, so let's go on and finish the rest of the brushes. Okay, this beauty blender has seen its days. Yes, and it has been staying so bad because I'm not cleaning it as I should, which I will do better once I get a new one. Yes, it is time for a new one. So you're just gonna put the soap on the mat and just roll it until you get all the makeup out of it. And trust me, this does this bad boy some justice, because as y'all see, it was really disgusting. Okay, but look at these brushes. I'm so in love with these brushes. They came out very good. I'm gonna flip them over so they can continue to dry, and I'm hoping that when they dry, they are going to be as soft as they are when I first bought them, and that they will still apply makeup as they should. If you don't know where I got these were from eBay for $8.99. The link will be below. I'm liking the way my beauty blender did come a little bit cleaner, but thumbs up, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.